Yo, guys, what's up? Well, first of all, I want to start this by apologizing because, man, I've been extremely busy this past few days or few weeks per se. Yeah, so let's make this quick. I want to explain today's PA. Today's PA was actually easy. No, I don't use easy because for some traders it's actually easy and some traders it's not that easy. So today PA was just like okay, okay. It was easily predictable, but let's just see. So we had okay, this FXC. Okay, let's just use this. Okay, so before the start of today, day two, let's say we have this right here. Okay, so we had this on 4 hours time frame. We have this. Okay, at this point, this MSU was completed right here. So I am even just seeing this now. Okay, I never switch to the 4 hour time frame today. I only use these guys. I didn't even look at 4 hours time frame. So we had this after 2 BOS in 4 hours, right? Just did this and then came back down. So maybe this was MSU POI, but then price mitigated the 4 hours efficient price action. So this was what happened. So on 1 hour time frame, or we seen, okay, price already mitigated our daily EPA. So probably I want to buy, keep on buying and all of that. But on 1 hour, right? This was 1 hour structure. Where was it? Okay, cool. This was 1 hour low, 1 hour high. So at this point here, so price did all of this way. Okay, then price did this right here. Now, as price did this, for subjective structures, I think Pascal asked a question one time. For subjective structures, we have something like this, okay? Then we have this. We know this is a BUS. If price does this, this is a BUS. Now we only want to sell when price takes out this inducement right here. But remember, mitigation is crucial, right? So when price does something like this, there might be something here price will react to that will be able to make us take the buy before the sell. So we are buying to take out the inducement high, which is going to make this low turn into the fake BOS. Then we can sell from here. So you buy here to sell here to take out the true break of structure. This is one, right? And on my, I've been noticing something about like I used to say, whenever your um Asian high, Asian low liquidity, or maybe daily high, daily low aligns with our setup, either the MSU, the SLQ, double inducement, right? That setup is actually a high probability setup. It has 80% chance of holding, which means if we had this right here, and then this low then becomes Asian low right here. I know this inducement, so price will most likely come here. Asian low plus IDM, and then this becomes Asian high right here. It is Asian high, it is high probability that price will go take out this high right here. Good, so that's one. So on this day, this right here was H1 low. This was H1 high right here. So we wanted to see a fake BUS inducement through BUS right here. This was what we wanted to see, okay? And price took out the low, fake BUS low right here. So this is a normal BUS low. So price did this right here. So this low got taken out. So we saw a buy opportunity to go take out the IDM low. Now, price took out this low, but we are not going to look at any mitigation because price can decide to do this before going higher, okay? But then what made us look for a mitigation here? What made us do that? Session right here. Asian low was right here. Okay, this was Asian low right here. And for this Asian low right here, okay, this was Asian low. So price took out Asian low. Remember when price takes out a session high or a session low, right? We want to see a deviation of our PUI. Now that PUI, not this one that price reacted from, was from the same H1 time frame that price took out this BUS. So we can go back on the 4 hours, there was nothing there, okay? But then on the H1, price gave us an unmitigated week here after price has mitigated daily EPA. So if this was daily EPA right here, this is our whole daily demand zone. Any PUI inside will only be a refinement. Perfect. This is what one refinement, this was another refinement, okay? H1 unmitigated week. Drag this all out to current price action. That was where price mitigated. Now, since this was Asian low, this potential fake BUS right here, guess what? This was previous daily low right here, previous daily low. So price took this out. Now we want to look for buys, right? So assuming you're trading in Frankfurt, this was Frankfurt open right here. There was a setup on Frankfurt, okay? So when we go to 15 minutes time frame, right here, okay? 15 minutes time frame, this was the range. Everything happening here is internal. So this would only be internal MS, should I call it MSU, or I don't know how to like label the liquidity. So this was like MSU, but internal. Then this was like another SLQ. Okay, looking at this right here, this was an SLQ also. The price took out right here before dropping. Okay, so if we go on a much lower time frame, let's go on 5-minute time frame right here. Come on. Sorry if I'm being too fast. I don't want this to be long. Okay, I don't want this to be long. Good. So on 5-minute time frame, price took out all of these supposed internal SLQ. I don't know if that's even a thing. Okay, so when price took this right here, price reacted from this. Because on my, I think we spoke about this in the morning, on my broker, this was a bullish candle, but it was not mitigated. But on FXCM, this is a bearish candle, but it was mitigated. So I just stuck to this, that this was mitigated, okay? So when price mitigated this, on 5 a.m. and on 3 a.m., no mitigation, okay? I don't use internal PB or internal, I don't use internal PD. I only want to work with external PD or even internal EPA, okay? So this would have been called an internal PB because on 5-minute time frame, this was still 5-minute structural range right here. So everything here will be internal. So we go on 3 minutes. No, okay, good. So we go on 3 minutes. On 3 minutes, this bullish candle was clear. And I'm sure on 3 minutes, that would not be our range. Good. So, okay, let's see this. Yeah, so I guess on 3 minutes, since this was 3-minute last structure, all these would be external structure point. I don't want to go and start marking all of the structure. So on 3 minutes, this PB, this would be price delivery into this, but I'm not sure if this would be a right confirmation, okay? Then on mitigation of this on M1, assuming this high was taken, this would be PD, okay? Because on M1, this was M1 structure. So this would be PD right here, but that did not get taken. So probably this would be a mutated, yeah, this would be a mutated PD for the cells right here because we had liquidity, PUI. So this liquidity make price want to like go lower. So we had this entry opportunity. This was supposed to be an entry opportunity based on EPA. I took this cell in the morning. It was supposed to be EPA, but that was not mitigated. A little bit aggressive though. So yeah, so this was a sell here. So price did this. And then when price came into this PUI right here, okay, price already took out Asian low, previous daily low, which is also a potential fake BUS right here, mitigated this week from the H1 time frame. Remember, we always want to switch from one time frame to the other. So on M1, we had M1 structure this way, M1 fake BUS, M1 inducement right here, PB into this week. This was a loss. I took this loss right here. I know I took like 3 losses. Man, I'm not sure I remember where I took those losses. So right here, this was a loss here. This would have been an anticipated trade. So price did this and then still came back to take out this low. But then I just kept on watching price and okay, considering timing, right? This buy, right? This sell was this was Frankfurt, and then this was London right here. Okay. So London gave a buy opportunity. When price did all of this, right, then give us this right here. We have to look at other time frame. We should not stick to M1. Looking at other time frame now, this was a build up, a trend line liquidity. So me looking to buy from any of these, just be me being the liquidity, okay? So I want price to take out this low before I consider buying. So this would be build up right here. Going on 3 minutes. 3 minutes now, what are we seeing? Fake viewers, inducement, 3 minutes price behavior. 5 minute time frame. 5 minute structure. Remember, this was the structure point, right? So price did this. This was build up liquidity level. This low is also liquidity level. Fake BOS, inducement for the price behavior because we are looking to buy. Okay, maybe this would have been a nice hedge sell to target this low, but only saw that as price behavior because I am focusing on the buy side. Okay, so price did that. So we will not be concerned about anything that is going to happen until price takes out that PB low right here. Right here. All of these are just noise, noise, noise. As price is doing all of this, right? Price was building liquidity this way. Taking this liquidity, building liquidity for more confluence, okay? So at this point, price took out this low here. So trust me, I want to see a CSC before I take a trade, because the confluences are much. One, we had H1 fake BOS to IDM. So that's a buy, right? Then we had Asian low that got taken out. So we want to see buy to target Asian high. Price then took out previous daily low. Plus mitigated and H1 on mitigated week right there. This from higher time frame, right? Then we had 3 minutes, 5 minutes, price behavior. So all these confluences will be enough to take a trade based on CSP after the price behavior. So for bullish CSP, you can enter off this one, or if you miss that, wait for another CSP right here, and then opt in this trade right here to target the IDM high. Opt in this one right here. Then on M1, we had all of these as structure points right here. Fake BOS, inducement, another PP, probably another entry right here on the M1 time frame. But I would not take trades like this, okay? And then we had this right here. I took another trade here, but that was aggressive. I did not wait for EPA. Price just did this, and then I just hopped in because the buy was pretty clear. Okay, price kept on building liquidity, and we have much liquidity level above for price to take out. So the buy was pretty clear. So I took another trade opportunity there, and this was a trade here. I think nope. I think it was here. I'm going to mark that out properly. So we had this, 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 and this. So for this high did not get broken. I don't know if it got broken on my broker, but then I knew that when price got here at discount, that was where I took in another buy, pretty aggressive though. So let's just use this way right here. So this was it for the buys in the morning. And then all of a sudden, this happened. And I was like, oh. Now, so when price did this, where would be our target? We had two potential targets. Asian high, right here. Asian high. Then fake BOS on H1, and then want to see price, go take out the IDM, then we can sell. Okay, so we have H1 IDM right here. So this was what we had. Okay, so trust me, I was not even trying to look for sell because there were a bunch of sell opportunity, but that you make profit from. Well, I was not focusing on the sell side. I just wanted price to take out this low, this high, sorry, before I like take out profit or like do something else. I don't wanted this to get taken out. So I think price went higher. We're supposed to do this and then drop. But then there are a bunch of sell opportunity after Asian high is sell. And I think this Asian high was the last SOQ on H1. So price maybe did this down before going higher. Okay. So now good. I think this was it. This was what price did. And for price to do all of this, right? I don't want to like go because I don't want the video to be long. I don't want to like go on lower time frame. But if there's need for that, then we'll do that. Okay, price did this. I took first partial at I think I entered two position, right? So I closed out 0.5% somewhere here of one of the trade. Then first partial level here, I took out under 0.5% the other trade. Then order for that take partial. So when price did this, on H1 time frame, fake POS, inducement high at this level, okay? On the lower time frame, when we go on lower time frame, like a 30-minute now, this was still structure point. But then on 30 minutes, we had all of this. So I think we'll call all of this as price delivery, okay, into this unmitigated week. Like give us a buy here. Let's see that buy. Okay, let's see. How would we have taken that buy? So the structure was pretty confusing because after price takes out a certain high, it wants to reverse. Takes out a certain high, it wants to reverse and all of that. That was pretty confusing. So the trade opportunity for this buy, let's see, I want to know. I don't want to look at all of these sales because, man, it's going to stress me out. So let's see this buy here. Okay, good. Yeah, I remember this. This buy was MPD. I don't know why. Okay, I took a buy somewhere. My head. I took a buy somewhere, I think, before the news. We had news by 1:30. Okay, this was the news. I took a buy here. I think the buy was clear based on the price behavior. The buy was clear. So I thought price wanted to keep on going, but price took me out break even. And then, okay, I had a loss here. Good, I had a loss here. Then this took me out break even. And then I saw this. I was like, what's wrong with you? So for this mitigation, based on the higher time frame PD, okay, we had all these were PD, but then price took out the PD. So we had violated PD, rejection, CSP, and to the moon. Re-entries, we had all of these re-entries right here, all the way to the moon. Okay, this did not get mitigated, so no entry there. So that was it for the buys. I think for this sell, we had MPD on M1 here, because for this sell, price gave us a nice entry for this sell. I know, I think some of you took these sales. Where was that POI? I think, was there a POI that price reacted from? Because price took out the setting last SOQ, reacted from a POI. Let's see where that POI is. Okay, I think this H1 week right here. This H1 week right here. Okay, this was mitigation. After taking out the last SOQ plus Asian high, it mitigated this right here. Then looking for entries based on this sell. Let's go on 5M. Was there a price behavior? Let's see. We consider this as price behavior. Yep, this is price behavior because all these will be M5 structures. Yeah, this will be M5 structure. So this was fake BOS, inducement, mitigation of this. That was price behavior. And then on M1, on price behavior, when price came into the week, waiting for CSP, we had a rejection CSP. If there's not enough, we had a candle closure right here, mutated PD right here for the sell. So this sell was nice. Those of you that caught the sell, bravo. Nice sells, and then we got the buy too. Lots of opportunity on the market. You just need to know what you're doing. Yeah, so for me, I was only focusing on the buy side. This one hit me break even, but I took out partial, but this ran all the way to the H1 IDM as our target. So now we bought based on H1 fake BOS all the way to inducement. Now we want to sell to through breakout structure. But right now, I have no idea what the market is going to do tomorrow. So this is PUI for the sales right here. So tomorrow is NFP. Tomorrow is NFP. You guys should trade safely, please, because I'm sure there'll be lots of manipulations. Okay, so you guys should trade safely. We have this, so maybe a drop to through breakout structure. Then will there be a buy? Do we have liquidity above? Let's see, because price coming from daily EPA, so might just keep on pushing higher. Let's see what's happening. I don't use imbalance, but this, I think this right here is a huge gap. We had liquidity build up here, liquidity build up here. We had this liquidity build up here. And we had this liquidity build up here too. So liquidity build up is everywhere. This here, this right here, all of this, all of this. So let's see what the market is going to do. I won't be surprised if NFP sells. But I also won't be surprised if NFT buys. But I don't know. We are having lots of liquidity right here. Yep. So let's see what Asian session does. If it actually goes to complete this or keep on going higher, higher, higher. I hope this was not long. Please just tell me this was not long. Yeah, so you guys have a good day tomorrow. And we will talk on the group chat. Okay. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.